What's up YouTube, Jeff back from Sammy Guru here, and today another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. If you've been watching the channel lately, you know I have One UI 8.0 on my international Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you missed the last two videos, I did a video talking about how I got this, which builds I'm running. Actually running a brand new build now, so I'll quickly show you guys this before I get started in the video. We go to About Phone and Software Information here. You guys can see right there, I'm now running the build running in ZYEJ, which is the latest beta version of One UI 8. It's unreleased, it's a leaked build as of recording May 16th, 2025. Anyway, today I want to show you guys the brand new dynamic wallpaper feature in One UI 8.0, which is very cool. I think you guys will enjoy. A lot of you guys have also been asking about a full overview video of One UI 8.0. I will certainly do that, but those long videos that take 45 minutes, they take a long time because I got to make an outline. I want to be careful and go through as many things as I can. So I'm doing some individual feature spotlights first. Before we get started, remind you guys, check out our website, sammyguru.com. We cover all this content also over there. Our writer Gerwin, who's great, follow him on X. He also has One UI 8 on his device. He wrote up the article about this feature I'm going to show you guys today. Definitely check it out. Check out our mystery box program if you're interested. Get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand when you pre-order an upcoming Samsung device. Put in your phone number, your email, or both to get started. We cover the shipping cost, all the devices that are in the box as well. All you have to do is use our affiliate link to place your pre-order. That's how we pay for the program, the shipping, and all that stuff. All those details will be below in the pinned comment and description. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this, and I'll go ahead and just show you on my phone here. Go into Wallpaper and Style, change wallpapers, and scroll down here. Of course, we still have generative and photo ambient under the AI, which we've had for a while. But if you continue down to colors, you now have got these two new wallpapers at the top that are dynamic. And so what's going on with these wallpapers is, well, you have two different patterns. So the way the gradient actually cascades or moves around, I'll show you both. So here's this one. Go to the next screen. You'll see how it fades down here from the green blue into this like bluish purple to orange, kind of a reddish even hue, pink. And then here you tap the style and you can actually see the different colors that you want for this cascading style. You can have this blue green, you can have this one, which is the blue and orange, or you can also have this style as well, which is the blue green, which moves to the side. Now, the one thing I don't understand after having looked at this, and even I don't know if I'm not sure if Gerwin's 100% clear on this either. I don't know what the huge difference is between these two, because if you actually look, this one, if you tap on the second one, this one also gives you another one that animates this way. But if you tap on the style, this one also gives you the fade down option. And it also gives, I guess this one doesn't fade to purple. I guess you can choose some different colors here. And then this one goes blue to orange. And this one goes, no, but you've also got this one that fades down. Yeah, I don't think there's any real difference between these two. I'll have to talk to Gerwin. When he wrote it up, we were assuming that the colors change specifically for each one differently. And we've only we noticed this like 12 hours ago, so I haven't used it for a full 24 hours. But Samsung says the dynamic wallpaper changes color over time. So right now you can see with the one that I set, which was the one that fades down, this is like the purple, like I said before. Now the cool thing is if you have it set for the home screen and the lock screen, when you open it, it's gonna animate. You see it fades there into this. And if you turn it on and you go directly to the lock screen, it'll continue the fade smoothly and seamlessly. So the animation is really nice. I'll show you guys again. If I go right in there on the fingerprint animation, it fades pretty nicely. So again, I'm not really sure why there are two options here. You can see that, I think maybe it's just highlighting the different styles. Like it's saying, okay, you can have the one that fades down or the one that fades like this little dot to the side. But I think once you actually get into this menu from style, you can choose both. So these both fade down just with different colors. And then these both just move to the side. So there's a little dot, so a little blob that moves over. Let me just show you guys one of these two on the lock screen so you can see the animation live and how it works. If I go directly in there, beautifully right there, it animates very smoothly. I personally like just my own personal preference. I mean, it's going to be a preference thing, obviously, because it's a wallpaper, but I like the one that fades downward. And I also tend to like this color scheme that I had set before. So that's kind of what I'm going to go with. Anyway, I'm sure Samsung will probably differentiate these a little bit more. They'll probably explain a little bit better and kind of have it laid out a little nicer in terms of what they do and what the differences are between the two when we actually get to the One UI 8 beta. So One UI 8 beta should launch officially, hopefully in the next 10 days before the end of May. So we'll have all the coverage of that. Trying to get a full video out on the differences that are in the early builds, because I know you guys who watch the channel are enthusiasts. You really want to see it right away. Hopefully I'll have that out early next week around the 19th or the 20th. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Check out SamyGuru.com for all your latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, reviews. Get in on the Mystery Box program if you're here in the US and you're going to order one of these devices. Galaxy S26 Mystery Box will open very soon for you early birds who want to get in for January 2026 launch. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.